This is Sophie Heller, and this is an ACT science question. The question is asking us to look at our experiment 2 with limestone and make an assumption about the soil. So we saw in experiment 2 that this limestone soil is almost non-porous, but water still manages to pass to the bottom of the jar. So some of the water passes to the bottom of the jar, some water is still on top of the soil. So it's permeable to some extent, but it's almost non-porous. So let's look at our choices. Our first choice says must be porous to be permeable, but we saw that limestone soil is almost non-porous and still permeable to some extent, so that's not okay. Choice number 2, must be permeable to be porous. So being porous is not determined, so the relationship determines that if it's porous, it's permeable, but it doesn't work the other way. So some porous things are not permeable, so that's not going to be good. Choice 3, may be porous but not permeable. So this is not related to experiment 2. Experiment 2 is talking about something that's non-porous and then permeable. So this is not going to be applicable. And we're left with choice 4, may be permeable but not porous. And this is exactly right, because we see that the limestone soil is not porous, but it is permeable. There is still water at the bottom of the jar. So choice 4 is our answer.